Good morning, grade ones, and welcome to a new math video. Today we will continue studying about three dimensions shape or 3D shapes. But today we're going to dig a little bit deeper and know how to describe a 3D shape. Do you remember when we used to describe 2D shapes, saying how many sides, how many corners does it have? Well, it's a little bit similar. To describe a 3D shape, we need to say how many faces does it have, how many edges that shape have, and how many vertices does that shape have. So faces, edges, and vertices. These are our new thing that we're going to try to count. But what do you think it means? What does it mean? What does the word face mean? What does the word edge mean? What does the word vertices? So let's start with the edge. An edge is like a line between each two corners. So for example, that one is an edge, the red one is an edge, this is an edge, this is also an edge, and this is an edge, and this is an edge. Okay, so that was the word. What does the word edge mean? Now let's go to face. What do you think the word face means? Oh, that's a face, like the side of the 3D shape. And this is also a face, this is a face, this is a face, and all of these are faces. Let's see what does the word vertex mean. Well, vertex, boys and girls, are the corners. So for example, this is a vertex, this is a vertex, and all of these are vertices. So if it's one, we say vertex, and if it's many, we say vertices. So all of these are vertices, like corners. And the line between these vertices, we call them edge. And each side of the 3D shape, we call it face. Okie dokie. Now we will start counting our 3D shapes. Let's see. Okay, well, let's start with the cube. We need to say how many faces does it have, how many edges does it have, how many vertices does it have. Are we ready? Let's go. Well, let's start with the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 on the sides, 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the back, and 6 on the front. So how many faces do you think the cube has? 6. Let's see. What do you think? How many edges do you think the cube has? Let's see. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So here are the edges, 12 edges. Let's see how many vertices does it have. Let's count with me. That's 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we said it's 6 faces, 12 edges, and how many vertices? 8 vertices. Let's see if our answer is correct. Yes, 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Let's move to the rectangular prism. Well, what do you think? How many faces, how many edges, how many vertices? Let's start counting the faces. 1, 2, 2 on the side, 2 on top and on the bottom. So that's 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. How many edges do you think? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So 6 faces, 12 edges, and let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6, 12, and 8 vertices. See if our answer is correct. 6, 12, and 8. Good job. It has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Let's move on to the next shape. Next shape, we have a cone. Well, the cone has one face, the one on the bottom, and one round surface, that one. So it has one face and one round surface of 2 faces. And how many edges do you think it has? Yes, you're correct. One edge. And how many vertices or vertex? Only one vertex. Let's see if our answer is correct. One surface, one face, one round surface, one edge, and one vertex. Okay, let's see the cylinder. What do you think? How many faces does it have? One on top, one on bottom, one on top, and the round one. How many edges does it have? One edge, two edge. Do you think, can you see any vertex? Zero. Let's see. Two faces, one round surface. Good job. Two edges and zero vertices. Let's move on to our last shape. The sphere. Do you remember the sphere that like the ball? Sphere is like a ball. So how many faces do you think it has? Does it have any flat face? It has only one curved. Does it have any edges? I cannot see any edges. Does it have any vertex or vertices? So it has only one curved face, only one, zero edges, and zero vertices. So this is our lesson for today. Hope you enjoy it and see you next time.